In this video, I'll show you how you can report a player in Roblox. Now first, what you can do is search for the player here. Let's say his name is Jake O, and go to people. Then find the player in here, let's say it's this one, and you can press on the report abuse button. If you click on this, you'll be able to report him from in here, select whatever. Obviously I'm not going to report him. Another way you can do is you can go into a Roblox game, just like this. From in here, press escape, find the player who has been harassing you, press on the report button right here, this flag, and you're gonna be able to report them just here. You can choose which type of abuse, who it was, and the reason for it. So that's basically how you can do it in Roblox, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.